Poor decisions. It's called poor decisions. We've all made them. Not proud of those post-party porcelain meetups, but hey, life happens, right? So hopefully we can all agree it's a fun name for a product, but don't let the name fool you because it's a very important product that helps with liver support and hydration after those occasional nights of indulgence. That's why I'm thrilled to introduce this little spirit lifter that will support your well-being after the other H word creeps up on you. Thoughtful and science-backed ingredients to help you bounce back, rehydrate, and rally the next day. So what kind of key ingredients are in here and how do they support one's health? First up the bat, we have vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 has a vital role in aiding with alcohol metabolism and supporting liver function. It can help mitigate that not so nice after effects of alcohol consumption and support a quicker recovery. Second, we have potassium. As you may already know, alcohol can lead to dehydration, and potassium specifically is an essential electrolyte that aids in maintaining fluid balance in your body. Replenishing potassium can support proper hydration, reducing those occasional sick feeling symptoms. Next, we have milk thistle. Milk thistle is known for its liver protective properties. It can help detoxify it and promote overall liver health, which is crucial after you've gone a little overboard. Number 4 ingredient, rosemary. Rosemary contains antioxidants that can aid in detoxification and protect your liver from oxidative stresses, helping again with the recovery efforts. Lastly, Schizandra. This can help the body cope with occasional stresses and supports overall well-being. All in all, this product offers a means to support liver function, alcohol metabolism, and rehydrate effectively, promoting next day well-being after a thirsty night out. Cheers to that. Whether it be Life Happens supplements or whatever products out there that you're taking, please keep in mind they are designed to complement a balanced diet and fill in the gaps of one's nutrition, but they should not be a replacement for a diverse and nutrient-rich food intake. Also, make sure you take your supplementing responsibly, meaning please be familiar with what is in your products, follow the proper recommended doses, and always talk to your own healthcare professional to ensure that you're taking them safely. Hopefully, I was able to provide some further insight on why I created my own supplement line with you and me in mind. And hopefully by learning about the ingredients and that not all products are created equal, you will feel more comfortable and empowered to really elevate your own health and wellness. Also, if you want an even more in-depth breakdown of each product and ingredient, I'll link to it on my website, Life Happens, below. Please do check it out. All right. If you want more, please check out this playlist right here for other similar videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching and stay healthy, my friends.